Now we're picking up where we left off. Actually, no, we're further down. Where are we now?
South of Blind Pass.
South of Blind Pass, still on Manasota Key. So
We're heading
beautiful.
towards Stump Pass.
Heading towards Stump Pass. At the end, we've got a truck coming behind us. Be mindful of the vehicles. Still, though, we have the right of way. Look at these properties. Look at this. Look at this to the right. Wow. And to the left. Holy. This is a canopy road, like. Wow. But all the trees.
A lot of shade.
A lot of shade.
And the road's smooth.
The road is smooth.
Really smooth.
Lots of good points. Can't go wrong. Got a big truck coming behind us, another vehicle. It's not that bad though. There's plenty of room. 4th of July. Look at that. I got no one behind us. What do you say?
See you down at Stump Pass. We got what? 3.5 more miles?
Is that right?
It's like 4.5. Well, it's a little more than 4 miles, I think.
A little more than 4 miles.
Yeah.
Okay.
From Blind Pass to Stump Pass.
So we got to pace ourselves.
Yeah.
We're clear for a minute. There's a truck behind us, but it's way back. This is just so beautiful and tropical. Pretty cool. All right, we'll pick it up later. Bye-bye.